Hi y'all, it's me, Miss Faulkner, and I'm here with some of my favorite things in the world. My puppy dogs, my mom, view of the mountains. It's a good day. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, some of you guys may already know a whole lot about this, but what we're going to do is we are going to talk a lot about discount and markup. You guys have been asking for some real world stuff, so here it is coming your way. So, what do we know about this? Well, oftentimes, if you want to follow along, I'm going to be highlighting. It says stores frequently discount or markup items. What in the world does that mean? Well, that means a discount is going to be subtracted from the original price. And so discount goes down. Discount goes down. It makes the price go down. So you're going to subtract from the original price. Now, a markup is something we don't like. Markups are going to be added to the original price. They're going to be added. And the selling price, or what we call so we can say the selling price or the sale price is the amount that we end up paying. So what we're going to talk about your discount, your markup. We're going to talk about your prices, your money going up, and your money going down. So we're getting into some real world stuff finally. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about discount and markup. So we just did a whole bunch of things. We talked about percent of. So we know what to do with that. Our brains are warmed up. And so here we go. Number one, right here, talks about a pair of jeans that's $58. $58 and 15% off. Off means discount. Okay, that's a discount or a sale. So the price is going to go down. So we're going to do, I got to change my pen a little smaller, 15% of $58. 15% of $58 is going to be 0.15. What does of mean? It means times 58. When we do that, we get $8.70. So that $8.70 is going to go right here. That is my discount. Now, what's really, really challenging is the next part. What you have to do is you have to take the original price of $58 and you have to take the discount. And remember, when a discount, we are going to go down, so we are going to subtract the original price minus the discount, which is $8.70. And when we do that, we get the selling price, or also known as the new price. We get $49.30. How about that? Alrighty. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to number 2. If you need to pause this at any time, please go ahead and do that. So we have $492 for a tablet, 20% off. So we're going to go ahead and write 20% of 492. All right, so we know to write 20% as 0.20. We know of means multiply 492. And when we do that, we get $98.40. $98.40. What does that, oops, that, I shouldn't have done that. Sorry, y'all, I just crossed it out. Well, it won't go back. Yeah. Oh, go back. Goodness gracious. Some technical difficulties. $98.40. That represents my discount. So I'm going to go ahead and write $98.40 here. So now what I need to do is I now need to figure out the selling price or what's the new cost? Well, I'm going to take my new cost. I'm going to look at the original, which was $4.92, and my discount, and I'm going to subtract them. So I'm going to go 400. Oh, goodness gracious, I'm having trouble, aren't I? I'm going to do 492, which was my original price, minus 98.40, and you get $393.60. I don't have dollar signs on any of these. Oh my goodness. Y'all, add your dollar signs. Okay, we're going to ask you now if you can go ahead and do 3 and 4. And when you have done them, you're going to raise your hand, get a check, a star, and some love. So you're going to press pause before we go on. Alrighty. This is absolutely fascinating and so much fun. Now what we're going to do is we're going to talk a markup. Well, it says up, so the price is going to go up. Luckily, we're going to stick with the same strategy. We're going to do, whoa, it's 3%. Sorry, so I'm going to do 3% of, how much is my wedding dress? It's $625. Okay, to change 3% to a decimal, you can divide by 100. You're going to get 0.03 of means times 625. When I do that, what do I get? Type that in your calculator. I'm going to get $18.75. So a markup, that means the cost is going to go up. So I'm going to write $18.75. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Bad, bad, bad. That's money, money, money they're taking from us. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our original cost. What? Our original cost of $625. And we're going to subtract it or add it to $18.75. When I do that, I get, what do I get? $643.75. So what I did was I took that $625 and I added it to $18.75. Oh my goodness, I'm going to buy me a brand new sofa. It costs $1,000. Oh my goodness, that's expensive. $1,490.95. And there's a 40% markup. Everybody must want this. So I'm going to write 40% of $1,490.95. I'm going to change that percent to 0.40 of means times 1,490.95. How much does that cost? Oh my God, that is a lot of money, y'all. $596.38. So my markup is $596.38. This must be a really popular sofa. I am not going to buy that one, I'm just telling you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my original price and I'm going to add it to that. And when I do that, I get $2,087.33. Oh my goodness. All right, what you're going to do now is you're going to do number 7 and number 8 and then raise your hand. Get a check, a star, and some love. Alrighty, nice work on those other problems right there. What we're going to do right now is we're going to talk about sales tax and tip. Sales tax is a percentage. It's added. So this is just like markup. So what we're going to do, because your tip is added as well. So this is just like the markup. All right, so it's the exact same strategy. So we're just going to look at one, and we're going to go, and then you guys are going to rock and roll on your own. Uh-oh. Okay. Find the final price of an $849.99 laptop with a 6% sales tax. This is the exact same thing that we just did. What we're going to do is we're going to do 6% of $849.99. Okay. 6% is a decimal, 0.06 of 849.99. Now, when we do that, we get $51. So, tax, look at that. Look at that tax. What sign does that look like? That looks like a plus sign. Tax makes something more expensive. So you're going to add that 51 to the original price. So you get $849.99 plus 51. And when you do that, you get $900.99. That's expensive. Life is expensive, y'all. This is just too much. Goodness gracious. Alrighty. We are going to go and we're going to find the price of a $325 lacrosse stick, 7.25% of 325. Okay, when you have this, you need to raise your hand, get a check and a star and some love.